Hi, everyone. Thank you for joining Whole Family Health's live fertility support talk with me, Christina. I am a registered acupuncturist who is a fellow of the American Board of Oriental Reproductive Medicine. And basically, it's a fancy way of saying that I'm specialized and qualified to speak about fertility matters in traditional Chinese medicine. So, guys, we are in a completely different world than we were 2 weeks ago. And I know that I have been feeling an array of emotions, including a sense of loss of control about what's going on and how to control my life, and the things that are happening to the whole world during this time. And my heart really goes out to the people who are also trying to conceive and having trouble with fertility because they've already kind of experienced a loss of control, and you had a pandemic on top of it. It's not the easiest thing to deal with, I'm sure. So basically, I'm here to kind of help give you support in ways that you can help to support your fertility right now during these times that we are in quarantine. One way is by gaining that sense of control again. And one way that you can do that is creating a little bit more routine in your life, setting a regular schedule up so that you can follow, which includes like having a regular wake sleep routine. This means getting up at the same time every day, going to bed at the same time, making sure that you're getting adequate amount of sleep. That's because sleep is so important to our health in many different ways than just fertility. But speaking specifically to fertility, sleep helps us to regulate our hormones. It helps the body to metabolize hormones. And it also helps us to really heal in our downtime. So in order for sleep to benefit us, we need at least 7 hours of sleep a night. And that might be a little bit difficult with everything that's going on. Stress can usually impact sleep. So if you are having issues with sleep, please know that Alda and myself are offering online consultations, and we'd be happy to assist you if you're having any sleep issues. We are also offering some lifestyle advice as well, so we can speak more about that. And then another way that you can gain control over what is happening and gain control over your fertility is really taking control of your diet right now. This is kind of a perfect opportunity to completely control what you are putting into your body. A lot of us are making our own foods regularly and our own meals, so meal prep is going to be really important, and we can really control exactly what we are feeding ourselves and nourishing ourselves with. And Alda and myself could talk more about that with you, or you could book an online consultation with our holistic nutritionist, Alicia, and she would be happy to guide you through what the best meals are for your fertility right now. Another aspect that can help you to support your fertility will be through exercise. Exercise in moderation, though. This isn't a time to start a heavy-duty exercise regimen if you are trying to prepare your body to conceive. When we are trying to conceive, the female body actually doesn't do well with excess exercise. It has to be a low to moderate impact exercise. So yoga is kind of the perfect thing for that. And Michaela, our yoga specialist, she has developed a fertility program, And there is a 6-week program going on right now, or you can take one-on-one classes with her, and she will specialize your yoga program specifically for you. This will also help to bring more blood flow to the reproductive organs, so really nourishing your fertility that way. Another thing that you could do to help support your fertility during this time is by taking your supplements. Having regular supplements is going to be really important for your fertile health, but also for your immunity, which is something I know is on all of our minds. And the thing is, though, you do have to be careful with supplementation. You should speak to a qualified practitioner because not all supplements are made equally, and not all supplements are best suited for each individual person. So if you're talking to a qualified practitioner, then that way you can find out what the best supplementation process is to support your individual needs, as well as Chinese herbal medicine. Alda and myself are specialized in prescribing Chinese herbal medicines to help support fertility, and it works much like acupuncture. Each herbal formula is specifically designed for each individual person. No two formulas typically are the same because we are trying to treat the whole individual. And then another way that would be really beneficial for people who are trying to conceive to start doing is starting meditation practice. This will help you to cope with stress a little bit better. And when you're coping with stress better, then the body isn't in the fight or flight response, which is not a good thing when you're trying to conceive, because if you're under a lot of stress, the body just says no and shuts down. So it would be a really beneficial thing for you to start doing is starting to meditate. And Alda is a qualified mindfulness practitioner who is also doing one-on-one classes to help support fertility patients. I hope you guys got what you wanted out of this. I do look forward to speaking with people one-on-one online to help them support their fertility. Take care. Bye.